Teachers are using now serious game in their hybrid skills class environment. But what exactly are serious games? And why should I, as a teacher, use them? And what I need to be concerned about? These are what we are going to discuss now. Luciano here, and you are on TTT channel. Regular games are used exclusively for fun. Serious game add the educational goal to it. Then, a serious game focuses on education and has the benefits of game characters. Principal game characters are competition between the game itself and another player, challenges, tasks that the game presents to the player to overpass, rules, and explanation of how the serious game works and how the player can win or lose the game. And feedback, a return to the player if the action on the game was correct or not. And why should I use the serious game? The serious game gave for the students engagement and motivation. The engagement make them to interact with each other, with the teacher, and with the subject content. Motivation makes the students to enter in the game's environment and makes them to look for the answer to overpass the challenge and create two types of learn environment. The experiential learning process make the students learn with practices, and meaningful learning create the student's mind a link between previous knowledge and the learning content and make this new content make sense on their life. But some teachers see serious game as a monster that's going to harm the learning process. And we can make the serious game a monster, but I'm going to teach you to make the serious game a superhero. What we need to avoid when applying serious game. First of all, the serious game instructors need to check if the results of serious game application are available for the instructors and for the students. For example, on virtual application, the students need internet access, a computer or a smartphone for live interactions. During physical class, the instructors need time to apply the game without harm the learning process. This link to the second attention point, the game's time demands. The instructors need to plan the game, check the rules, explain the rules, and create an assessment process and control the students. An expository class may be better to explain a new subject instead of using the serious game for it. Each application needs to be analyzed. Time is precious in virtual and physical learning environments. Instructors need to dose the serious game application. What connects us to our last attention point, what the instructors intend with game application. A serious game application can develop technical skills such as math, science, administration knowledge, accounting knowledge, and soft skills as communication, collaboration, or critical thinking. If the instructors intend to develop the whole set of skills, it will be danger and you are going to create a monster instead of a hero. The game will be complex and hard to be applied, demand time and research not available. Then the instructors need to choose which skill the students will practice during the game and how these skills will be accessed. This will make the instructors focus on the skills in development and will minimize the serious monsters game. In the next videos, I will show examples of serious game application and I will explain how to use them. Besides the serious game, I will show some tips to use the technology in our favor during the virtual or physical class. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe on the channel and click on thumb up in this video. Thanks for your attention and see you later.